everyone. This is my friend Annabella, and this is my friend Gianna. Where is she? Gianna?
Gianna, we're doing a vlog.
Okay, never mind her. She's acting cuckoo sometimes. And we're camping out, like, with no fire in our backyard.
Yeah.
Gianna, now say hi to the vlog. 'Cause there you are. And Annabella, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, guys.
And Emmeline, say hi to the vlog. Hi, guys. Okay, Emmeline, Annabella, and Gianna. Annabella, Gianna.
And look at these beautiful lights. I bought them yesterday.
And my dad bought all of this. And we're just camping out. No fire. She's just doing a bunch of stuff. And she's doing her vlog like I'm doing my vlog.
No. I want to see your YouTube video. No.
Now they're fussing about the YouTube videos. And which we're making right now.
You guys.
This is my second video only, so
I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, I'm camping outside, no fire, and this is Annabelle. This.
hi, and
It's really
I'm
dark. We saw a giant toad.
yeah, we saw a giant toad.
I'll
It was
show
like
you if I
crazy.
could see it. If you could see
Oh, and now go check out Annabella and me's channel.
it. Yeah, guys.
It's amazing.
Oh, the toad went away.
And like and subscribe.
Please.
Like this video.
I know it's so dark, and guess what? We're all freaked out.
Except her parents over there are not doing
My
nothing.
parents.
Yes, Gianna's parents.
Guess what? What does it say?
I don't know, but up here.
I keep pressing that and it doesn't work. Just press this thing.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my god. Well, you can still be on my video.
Wait, comment down below if you know what to do.
Or guys, just make it on photo. Make it on photo, and then literally on YouTube you can pick it.
Yeah, you can put it on photo and then YouTube you can sign it over there.
Mhm.
What does that mean? So
Oh.
I need to pause my video?
No, you don't have to.
Could you pause videos? Comment down below if you could.
No, if you say done, then it's done. Okay?
Done. Done. Yeah. Why? You told me to.
Yeah.
You didn't. You said just say done, and it didn't do it.
I said press. I think. Comment down below if you heard me say press or whatever.
Why is it not blue? What?
I don't know. Maybe the other. Oh, I know.
I know I tried that. I'm just gonna look at my pictures.
Okay, that's
She's
amazing.
looking at pictures. I'm gonna do a TikTok video.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do TikTok.
I'm sitting
So
here.
if you guys don't have TikTok,
I'm gonna watch them do TikTok, and you guys are too.
how? How?
We're all sitting here in our campfire. Well, there's no campfire.
That's a fake mask.
Whatever. They got two little cats. There's a black cat, which is my favorite. There's a white cat.
They're in the sewer. How did they get in the sewer?
I don't know, but
Let me see. On my channel, see?
this is so sad.
The cat was in the sewer.
I know, but it's sad. Oh, what in the world?
Bye, guys. I'm going to watch TikTok.
I'm gonna stay here, keep on vlogging. Vloggy, vloggy, vloggy,
Oh,
vloggy.
it gets like that. It gets hard.
Ooh. No. There's there's sometimes there's like slime videos on TikTok And I'm like
Because
cuckoo
they
with
put so
them.
much balloons around it.
Huh?
Ugh.
I bet there's slime on in there.
You've got to be kidding me.
Again?
Oh, that's it. That's it.
Water! Okay.
And she screams. Hey, are you still vlogging?
Hi.
I didn't know you have a channel.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm still vlogging. Did you even know I had a channel? This is not, well, the videos are mine, but you should fold your thing up. And it makes a heart, Jack. One. Look, wait.
Look at this cat.
A tighter than.
Look at this cat.
I'm Jake.
Look at this cat.
I've made several
I'm obsessed with cats. I
Oh,
love
I know this
cats.
one. I know this. We could do this. It's called Bigfoot. I know what it's called. Mark the dump truck in.
Love cats. Love them. What did you say?
What else? I don't know. Just watch the whole song and you see it. Put it near the light.
I'm really not obsessed with TikTok. TikTok's fun.
Yes, it is. You're probably not looking.
Dang, dang. That's where Annabella got dang, dang, diggity, dang. Heather. God. Dang, diggity, dang, dang. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang.
That's how you do it.
Okay, I don't want to do that. I don't like that very
I
much.
want to do it.
Me too.
Let's do it.
All three of us?
Wait,
No.
yeah,
only
all
two
three
of
of us.
Okay.
Because you don't want to.
No, I'm just vlogging. I'm going to vlog you guys doing that, okay?
Why?
Because I want to.
You want us to be famous?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the camera. Look at. Oh.
You're probably.
What the heck?
What just happened? They're cool. Guys. It's because you put it on for long
There. First,
I have to put it on.
and me. Oopsie.
Okay. What? Annabella, you know the fox can see your pants.
You can see my panties. Okay. Don't vlog.
It's funny.
Sleepy.
Very funny.
Look, look.
Sleepyhead. Now there's something on her teeth.
On the dump truck in the flesh. Here comes the Cootie Squad. You should
You shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
Look who's with her.
Oh my God.
Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang, dang,
I
dang,
don't like
diggity, dang, dang. You are not in there.
I know.
You're doing no fun. Hurry, Heather.
I never heard that song before and I don't like it.
Dang, diggity, dang, dang.
Ding dang, ding ding ding. Annabella.
That just moved by itself.
What?
That.
Did you see?
I'm scared. Stop it.
Wait, what time is it?
3 a.m.
Oh,
Wait.
phew, it's 10 something.
What happened?
3 a.m.?
Yeah.
It's creepy. You know, there's a bunch of scary stuff.
Like
around.
ghosts. Wait.
Ghosts are not real.
I know.
But only one
It's
ghost
10:30. It's 10:39.
Guys, move! I'm gonna go.
I'm getting up on my blanket. Get up.
Good night. Just good night.
Get up. You said you're scared too.
Good night. Let's move you back off. Maybe there's a raccoon in there. I don't know. Maybe there's a raccoon in there.
Yes, move. No! That's my spot. Well, I called it.
Mr. Henry.
Tato! Mommy, Tato! Move! Stop!
The box first moving by itself.
No, the thing's moving by itself. How?
Come outside. We're scared and I'm vlogging on the YouTube.
Stop!
Me?
No, she keeps going on where I'm supposed to go.
Oh.
Can you go in your spot?
Guys, stop freaking out.
No, look. She doesn't want to go in my spot. She keeps going on my spot and I can't even
How is this even gonna end?
lay down. Why is moving? It's okay. You were scared when it was moving. Yeah, I'm still scared, so I'm going to put my blanket on top of me.
I'm going with Annabella.
Where are you guys?
Wait, was the box part moving or this?
This.
I don't think your dad gave you something that is magic or something.
Stop! I'm laying down. You're pushing me.
Scariest video.
Tato, come on. Tato.
Never. My eyes are doing something cool.
Move. It's moving. And I can't come. It's move right there.
The tent. I think.
Stop!
Hey, why are you screaming like that?
She's pushing me. Because you're in my spot.
I'm on a
I
vlog.
don't see anything.
I'm on a vlog. I'm on YouTube.
You're on the block?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
That's great.
What?
Are you guys making videos and putting them on YouTube?
Uh-huh.
We're not filming you right now.
I'm filming myself.
Alright, so what was moving? 'Cause I don't see anything.
She feels like there's a dog. Stop!
Hey, don't fight.
Now it won't. Okay, phew.
I mean,
Don't say that.
put this box here so I close you in a little bit.
I want a tent. I need a tent.
So now you guys are closed in pretty good, so nothing's gonna get in.
But what
Okay.
about that?
Over here.
What?
Over
Look
here.
at that blanket on top of us.
What?
Look at
That,
that
Let's-
blanket
yeah,
on
but
top of
there's-
us.
But no, it's closed down pretty good on this side.
No, over there. Get that blanket and put it on top. Where's that
You
line
want to
is?
close it in?
Yeah.
Why?
We love doing that. It looks
this
really
has
cool.
been 13 minutes already? Oh,
That blanket, that blue one. You just saw.
okay. This is a scary. Okay. I'm done. Bye, guys.
Yeah,
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.